Welcome to another 5 minutes ICT auto pairing. Andrew Martin, he's higher rated at the moment. Okay, let's see. Smith-Morra gambit. Hoping this will be a fun game. I'll try and trick him with f4. Hopefully he hasn't seen this before. Slightly different from knight f3. Having a quick f5, very aggressive try here. He's just ignoring things at the moment. Whoa. Okay. I'll play knight h3 here. And now rook f6 for knight e4. Try and keep his king safety, keep his king safety not an issue. Try to. Mind you, my king safety is a bit suspect now. Mind you, knight f6 there would have been interesting.
Check.
Yeah. So bishop e3. Mind you, queen c6. Oh. Just knight. This looks quite dangerous. Bishop d5 first. I've got bishop g1. I'll try and kick the queen. No, I can't really kick the queen. This looks like a goner, this position. Queen e3 or rook e1. Queen f2. I think queen f2 is interesting. Bishop d5. Oh, I have to play bishop d5 anyway. I'm losing material. Knight g3 or knight c3. Maybe a7 is a bit of a soft spot, I hope. Right. Some structural damage. If I did just take that and hope for the best. Rook d4. Rook b4. Rook d4 would be a great one. Hitting h4, that loose piece. He's got f4 coming up. Oh, he's let me play that. That might be good news for rook b4, rook b7. What's this g8? But that simplifies. I just want to get an attack here.
Check.
Cause a lot more problems potentially. Ah, that is a donor. Hang on, I thought it was bishop f2. Oh, there's knight f3. No, there's no knight f3 either. Right,
check.
So I think I'm still in the game.
Check.
Okay, so bishop e6. Let's try and tie down the rook. If rook c7, rook b8. There's also knight d5 to consider. So knight d5 here. I just take this and rook h7. 7. That'd be really cool. Taking rook h7. I was about to resign there. I thought he had bishop f2 just earlier. I thought... anyway, I think this is okay, this position. He might be in a little bit of trouble, I hope. So knight f6, rook h7. What is he doing here? He's thinking. It's good news. So maybe that rook d4 turn the tables a bit. So I just want to play knight f6 and rook h7, I think. That embarrasses the rook on a8.
Check.
Okay, this bishop d4 I don't think is a problem. Okay, so bishop d7. I play bishop d7, trying to hold the rook over there. So knight f4 to e6. I think taking it and then I want king e3 for bishop f5. If I take and then king e3, I want my king sort of come to e3 here.
Check.
Can I just... Oh, I'm going into some sort of mating net if I'm not careful. If I just take and get my king up, stop his pawns.
Check.
Get my king used for the... come in here. Oh. What about knight f5 or king d5? Play for king d5. So king e6. Trying to be useful with that king. Okay, so I take it and then knight f7, knight h6. Oh, actually knight e3. What about knight e3 to d5? There's knight b6. So knight b6, d7. If I take this e3, I think this e3 is a bit of a pain, to be honest. Maybe 6. Oh. And then, I don't know,
check.
Rook f7 maybe, for rook f3.
Check.
Right, if I play the check,
check.
there's knight c8. Nope. If I take, or rook f3, there's rook b3. I think I have to take one e3 to stop this pawn. Take rook b3. I think I'm done for. I think I have to. I don't know. There's rook f7 as an idea. I could try that as a last ditch.
Check. Check. Check.
Try and hold the
time warning. Check.
Okay, I think I've got to keep solid this rook.
Check. Check. Check.
I forfeited our time. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's a good one. Okay. Oh dear, oh dear. Down to the wire. Okay, thanks so much.